Where there is attention, there is no center from which you are attending. I wonder if you're doing it as we are talking. That is, when you attend, that is, in which there is no division, then in that attention, thought is not your thought or my thought, it is thinking. Is this, can we proceed along these lines? Are we following each other? When you give your attention, which means to give all your mind, your heart, your nerves, to completely give attention, do you find that there is a center from which you are attending? So in that attention, there is not your thinking and speaker thinking. There is only a quality of a total attention. Right? Don't look so mystified. It's really quite simple. You see, our thinking, ordinary, everyday thinking, is with regard to a certain subject, to a certain action, to a certain problem. Thinking about something, right? Right? That thinking is from an experience, from a memory, from a knowledge. Therefore, it's your experience opposed to another experience. So there is always division. Right? Please follow this. You have your opinion, and another has his opinion. And the two divisive opinions, dividing opinions, can never come together. If you believe in something, another believes in something else strongly, then there is wide cleavage to that way of thinking we are accustomed. Right? Now we're asking, that thinking can never be together. Because it's always either opposing, defending, or accepting. Whereas we are saying something entirely different. Thinking together implies that you and the other have let go all his prejudices and all the thinking together. Because in that thinking together, there is no your thinking and my thinking separate. It is together thinking. Right? Have you understood this? Now, please, this is very serious, because it is either you accept it as an intellectual concept, which then becomes your concept and his concept. If you merely accept the verbal explanation and draw from that explanation a conclusion, according to your experience, knowledge, prejudices, and the other does the same, there is no coming together. You're following all this? It's important that we come together in our thinking. So that there is no barrier between your thinking and my thinking, his or hers. Can we do this together? Because from this we can proceed. Because your mind then has a totally different quality. It's entirely objective, nothing personal. The self-centered problems with which we are burdened can never be solved unless there is a different quality of thinking or different quality of perception. Different quality of insight into the problem.